Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resale. Today I received a new lot of a controller. These should be Xbox One controller. As you see, the package is already open because I removed the address from it. Now we're gonna open it and see if everything is as described. It seems well packed. And as you can see, we also get the box with the controller, and I think that the manual are also included, which is great. It's gives some additional value, and I think that I had a pretty good price for them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 controller. There is a bit of sticker on the boxes, but these can be easily removed. Now we're gonna check them all. Here is the first one. It seems all right. I will show it to you a bit. Yep, this is all right. I will put it back in the box for the moment. Let's try another one. This one seems all right too. Here is the third one. It also looks nice. And here is the final one. Oh, as we can see, the back cover is missing, but otherwise I think it looks nice. Okay, so now that we take a quick look at all of them, I will be able to open my testing device and I will test them. If you want to know how to do it, I will put the link in the description below. But now let's test those controller. So here we go with controller number 1. We're gonna plug it. It light up white. This is always good news. I feel it vibrate also. Now we're gonna test all those functionalities. Okay, I think here we have first problem. The joystick is not reacting accordingly to what I'm doing. The horizontal axis seems to work fine, but with the vertical axis, it doesn't go as fast as what I'm doing with the controller. It's moving pretty slow, as you can see. So this is definitely our first problem. As usual, I will take a paper note and I will write on it what the problem is just to keep track, because as I already told you, when you're doing a lot of repair on different controller, it's really easy to forget what's wrong with each of them. So where there's no visual indication of what's wrong, I will always take a quick note on a small piece of paper to remember everything to do with the controller. So here we go. Vertical axis is really slow. So for controller number 2, everything seems to be nice except that there's a bit of rubber missing on the joystick. It's pretty easy to fix. I think I will even do it off camera. And when it's done, we will be ready to resell this controller. Okay, so controller number 3 is also going pretty well. This is the one with the missing back cover. I will replace it and it will be ready to resell also. Okay, controller number 4 is also going fine. What's wrong with it? Oh, I think I see what's wrong with it. It's the sync button. I will show you a bit closer what it's looking like. I don't know if you can see it really well, but there is some mark near the sync button and there is no way to press it. This one could be harder to fix than the two other I show you. So I will take a note on a piece of paper also. And I will definitely take this controller apart, even if we can fix it from the outside, just to make sure that everything in the inside related to the sync button is going well. And then we will be sure that this controller is perfect for resale. Okay, so I'm gonna put back all the controller in their box with the paper nose for sure. I already put the other one back in. I think there is just controller number 1 that it's in the box right now. I will put it there with its paper nose. Here we go. So we have two controllers that are working almost perfectly fine, and we have two controllers that will need some further repair and that there will be more video on it in the future. I will test all these. I will do further testing on all these controllers off camera, but for the moment the video is over, and have a nice day.